Hello, it's my Mario here, and another person from another channel. What the heck?
Well, we live inside the same house, okay?
Yeah, sure. And that's Ouija from the Ouija channel. Hi. Yeah, we just got this new vacuum today. On both of our channels going to be posted on this. And so I'm going to get the scissors. How do we get the scissors?
You don't need the scissors. You don't need
Oh,
the scissors.
we don't need the scissors?
Okay, watch. Okay, Mario, I'll let you pull it up.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go.
Here, Mario.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I'll just pull this in. Pull it out.
Yeah, we'll just get this open. We just got a new part for the vacuum. There it is over there. And there's the one getting opened. Open it. What is it?
I'll put this inside of this.
Well, that's
That's
lame.
cool.
And there's the thing itself. And it just dropped right out. It's like a big birthday present. With big wrapping.
Got it.
Why do I keep opening?
This is the bottom.
What the heck?
Vacuum.
Yeah.
Look at that.
My gosh. And there's the other pieces of stuff. This is a brand new vacuum.
I'm
And
gonna open that up.
Oh, okay.
Here, Mario, you can hold this.
Okie dokie.
I can help you if you want, Mario. Yep, okay.
And there's the machine itself. We'll put this all together in just a little bit. And we just built it. Here it is, and it's kind of lame, isn't it, huh?
Small, but it still works.
At least it's something, isn't it?
Nobody knows if it will work. Is it on?
No, it's not on yet.
Don't turn it on.
I know. I'm not gonna turn it on. I might break it in the first three. Yeah. Ah.
Dragging.
So let's see it go in action. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm scared. Mom!
I said do the stairs.
Do the stairs.
The stairs? Really? In this video?
How do you turn on?
The closest
Is it
thing.
this?
I don't know.
Is it just gonna be loud?
Yeah, it's kind of gonna be loud. So we're gonna test this in action.
Mom,
Just a second.
cut.
Well, first, grab all those pieces. you
Okay.
grabbed.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Mario? You're
Yeah.
gonna do the stairs.
Well, will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.